Ever wondered how to start painting without feeling overwhelmed? Well, I have good news. Hello there, my name is Sarah, and welcome to this video from Sarah's Art Gallery. Are you ready to discover the beauty and wonders that the art world has to offer? If your answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. Now, in this episode, we will discuss the world of acrylic painting. This medium is the perfect starting point for your artistic journey. It's fun, versatile, and easier than you think. With just a few basic supplies and some simple techniques, you can unlock a world of creativity and express yourself in vibrant colors. Acrylic paints are water-based, making them easy to clean up, and they dry quickly, allowing you to layer colors and experiment with different effects. Whether you dream of painting landscapes, abstract art, or anything in between, acrylics offer endless possibilities. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every brush stroke is a learning experience. This guide will take you through the basics of acrylic painting, from choosing your materials to mastering simple techniques and completing your first projects. Get ready to discover the joy of creating something beautiful with your own hands. Soon you'll be amazed by the masterpieces you can create. So grab your brushes, unleash your inner artist, and let's dive into the wonderful world of acrylic painting. You'll be surprised how quickly you can transform a blank canvas into a vibrant expression of your imagination. Remember, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. Acrylic paint is a fantastic choice for beginners. It's versatile, forgiving, and offers a vibrant spectrum of colors to explore. Unlike oil paints, acrylics dry quickly, allowing you to layer colors and build depth in your artwork without waiting for hours. This quick drying time also makes acrylics ideal for experimenting with different techniques. You can create smooth blends, bold strokes, or even textured effects with ease. Acrylic paints are also water-based, making them easy to clean up with soap and water. This means less mess and more time to focus on your art. One of the best things about acrylics is their affordability. You can find a wide range of quality paints at reasonable prices, making it easy to stock up on your favorite colors. With a little practice, you'll be amazed at the incredible artwork you can create with these versatile paints. So why wait? Dive into the world of acrylic painting and discover the joy of transforming your creative visions into colorful realities. Before you begin your acrylic painting adventure, you'll need a few basic supplies. Don't worry, you don't need a lot to get started. Here's a quick list of essentials. Acrylic paints. Start with a basic set of primary colors, red, yellow, blue, plus black and white. You can expand your color palette as you gain experience. Look for student-grade paints, which are more affordable. Paintbrushes. Choose a variety of sizes and shapes. Flat brushes are great for covering large areas, while round brushes are ideal for details and lines. Synthetic brushes work well with acrylics. Canvas or painting surface. You can paint on stretched canvas, canvas boards, or even thick paper. Choose a size that feels comfortable for your first project. Palette. You'll need a surface to mix your paints. A plastic palette or a few disposable paper plates work perfectly. Water container. Keep a container of clean water nearby for rinsing your brushes. These basic supplies are all you need to start creating. As you become more familiar with acrylic painting, you can explore additional tools and materials, but for now, keep it simple and focus on having fun. Remember, your artistic journey is unique. Don't be afraid to experiment with different supplies and find what works best for you. So gather your tools and get ready to unleash your creativity. Creating a dedicated space for your artistic endeavors can enhance your painting experience. A comfortable and well-lit area allows you to focus on your creativity and enjoy the process. Choose a spot with good natural light or set up a lamp to illuminate your canvas. Cover your work surface with a drop cloth or newspapers to protect it from paint spills. Arrange your paints, brushes, and water container within easy reach. Having everything organized will make your painting sessions smoother and more enjoyable. Ensure you have good ventilation, especially when working with acrylic paints indoors. Open a window or use a fan to circulate fresh air. You can also play some relaxing music or listen to a podcast while you paint. Creating a comfortable and inspiring environment can boost your creativity and make your painting experience even more rewarding. So set up your space, put on your favorite music, and get ready to dive into your artistic journey. Your first strokes of acrylic genius. Now that you've gathered your supplies and set up your creative space, it's time to put brush to canvas. Don't worry about perfection, just focus on the joy of creating. Begin by squeezing a small amount of each primary color onto your palette. Dip your brush into the water, then into the paint. Experiment with different brush strokes. Use long, smooth strokes for backgrounds or short, choppy strokes for texture. You can blend colors directly on the canvas or mix them on your palette to create new hues. Remember, acrylic paints dry quickly, so work in small sections. Rinse your brush frequently to prevent colors from muddying. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. In painting, happy accidents can lead to unexpected beauty. Let your creativity guide you as you explore the magic of acrylics. Embrace the process of discovery and enjoy the journey of bringing your artistic vision to life. Simple techniques for stunning results. Mastering a few basic techniques can elevate your acrylic painting skills and add depth to your artwork. Blending is a key technique for creating smooth transitions between colors. Load your brush with one color, then gently blend it into another color on the canvas. Layering involves applying multiple coats of paint, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next. This technique creates depth and dimension, adding richness to your artwork. Dry brushing uses a small amount of paint on a dry brush to create textured effects. Experiment with different brush strokes. Long, sweeping strokes create a sense of movement, while short, dabbing strokes add texture. You can also use a palette knife to apply thick layers of paint for a bold, textured effect. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with these techniques, the more confident you'll become in your acrylic painting abilities. Project 1. A colorful sunset landscape. Let's put your newfound acrylic skills to the test with a simple yet stunning sunset landscape. Start by sketching a horizon line on your canvas. Use a light blue for the sky and a darker blue for the water below the horizon. Blend the colors gently where they meet to create a seamless transition. Next, use shades of orange, yellow, and red to create the sunset. Apply the colors in horizontal streaks, blending them softly for a natural look. Add a small black silhouette of a mountain or tree in the foreground for depth. Use a thin brush to add details like birds flying in the sky or ripples in the water. Remember, you can always add more details later. Let your creativity guide you as you create your unique sunset masterpiece. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors and techniques to capture the beauty of a fading day. Project 2. Vibrant abstract masterpiece. Abstract art allows you to express yourself freely, using colors and shapes to evoke emotions and ideas. Start by choosing a color palette that speaks to you. Don't be afraid to use bold, contrasting colors. Squeeze your chosen colors onto your palette. Dip your brush into the paint and apply it to the canvas in random shapes and patterns. Let your intuition guide you as you create. Experiment with different brush strokes, creating lines, swirls, and dots. Layer colors to add depth and complexity to your abstract composition. Don't overthink the process. Simply enjoy the freedom of expressing yourself through color and form. Allow your abstract masterpiece to evolve organically. There's no right or wrong way to create abstract art. Embrace the joy of experimentation and let your imagination soar. The joys of acrylic painting. Acrylic painting offers more than just a creative outlet. It's a journey of self-expression, relaxation, and personal growth. As you immerse yourself in the world of colors and brushstrokes, you'll discover therapeutic benefits that extend beyond the canvas. The act of painting can be incredibly calming and meditative. Focusing on the creative process allows you to escape the stresses of daily life and enter a state of flow where time seems to melt away. As you blend colors and create shapes, your mind becomes absorbed in the present moment, offering a sense of peace and tranquility. Acrylic painting can also boost your confidence and self-esteem. Completing a painting, no matter how simple, provides a sense of accomplishment and pride. Witnessing your artistic vision come to life can be incredibly empowering, encouraging you to explore your creative potential further. Moreover, painting allows you to tap into your emotions and express yourself in a non-verbal way. Colors and shapes can convey feelings and ideas that words sometimes fail to capture. Through your artwork, you can communicate your inner world, sharing your unique perspective with others. Troubleshooting your acrylic journey. Every artist, even the most experienced, encounters challenges along their creative journey. Don't be discouraged if you face obstacles as you explore the world of acrylic painting. Here are a few common issues and how to overcome them. Colors drying too quickly. Acrylic paints dry fast, which can be both a blessing and a curse. If you find your paints drying before you can blend them, try using a retarder medium. This additive slows down the drying time, giving you more time to work with the colors. Muddied colors. Overmixing colors can lead to muddy, dull hues. To avoid this, use a clean brush for each color and rinse your brush frequently. You can also try working with a limited color palette, focusing on mixing variations of just a few colors. Brush strokes showing. If you prefer a smooth, blended look, use soft bristled brushes and apply thin layers of paint. Work quickly to avoid the paint drying before you can blend it. You can also use a blending medium to help create smooth transitions between colors. Lack of inspiration. Every artist experiences creative blocks from time to time. If you're feeling uninspired, try looking at other artists' work, exploring nature, or listening to music for inspiration. Sometimes, stepping away from your canvas for a while can help refresh your creative energy. Embrace the joy of creating. Acrylic painting is more than just techniques and projects. It's about embracing the joy of creating. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and explore your artistic voice. Each brushstroke is a step in your creative journey, a testament to your willingness to learn and grow. Remember, there are no rules in art. Let your intuition guide you, and don't be afraid to break free from conventions. Embrace the freedom of self-expression and allow your creativity to flow onto the canvas. The world of acrylic painting awaits, filled with vibrant colors, endless possibilities, and the joy of bringing your imagination to life. So, pick up your brush, embrace the artist within, and dive into your first project today. If you are new here, you liked the video, and I've given you some value, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for my newest videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Sarah from Sarah's Art Gallery saying, create your masterpiece, one stroke at a time.